Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going to be going through another Photopea tutorial. Today's going to be pretty quick. Today we are going to be going through creating a black and white image or turning any image into black and white and how to make it look pretty decent as you do that. So to start, I've already dropped my image into Photopea. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to convert it to a smart object. This is going to help us turn on and off it so that way you can kind of see the effects that we've done. Really quick, we are just going to go up to image. We're going to go to adjustments and we're going to go all the way over to black and white. Pretty straightforward. And then from here you can just manipulate the colors that you want to make certain sections darker or lighter based on its certain hues or pigments. So I can make my reds brighter or I can make them darker, just to kind of figure out what you want to pop and what you don't want to pop as you're going through. Again, sometimes there's not that much of that color within, and you're just going to adjust to end up getting the image in a way that you want it or a way that you enjoy looking at it. Boom. I've spent about 30 seconds going through that. To me, that's where I want it. I think that looks really nice. And the reason we did our smart filter before is because I can turn it on and I can turn it off. Just so that way I can see my edit, I can see my change, and I can see the work that I've done. Now, with that, that's truly all that we are going to go over for this tutorial. Super quick, super straightforward. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.